triggers, visual triggers in this video. So close your eyes and relax, 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 relax. Let's start with the first one, just the normal ones. Okay, let's put both of them on. So, it's getting colder and I thought that maybe a video with gloves should be good. It's now like 15 degrees in Belgium, so it's not very cold. That's probably like 35 in America. So I didn't post a video on Tuesday because I was busy with school. I had 2 tests on Wednesday, so I couldn't make a video. And I went to the beach in the weekend, so that's why I couldn't record a video. But the tests were pretty good. The first one was for mathematics. I don't know what it's called, functies in Dutch, and I really don't know what that is in English. Wait here. And the second one was for, it's called communicatietechnologie. It's a long name in Dutch. So that's basically just with computers, software, hardware, and stuff like that. The test was on the computer. I'm a student who actually have never cheated in my life before. Just because you can learn from that. So that were the first close. Let's take the second one, and maybe the most interesting one. So this is to brush my cat, or to like remove the hair from my cat. So you'll still see some hair, but I can't like remove all of it. And we'll probably use it the next day back. I also need to read a book for Dutch. I really hate that. I haven't started yet, and it's in 3 weeks. It has like 250 pages, but it's for children. It's like big letters and some drawings in it. The hair is in my face. Just a little. So I'll show you the book in a few minutes. I had to choose between like 20 of them, and that was one of the easiest ones, because I hate reading. So I will try to like read 50 pages every day, and then I should be good in like 5 days. Like you see, I removed this thing from the microphone because it looks better if you put this on it. It doesn't look very cool. So let's put it on. 70,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone who watches my videos and who subscribe to my channel. I'm getting a lot of comments, so I can't reply to all of them. But when I post a video, I try to reply to like 100 of them the same day. So that's already 11 p.m. for me, so then I need to sleep. And then sometimes I get a notification on my phone, so I think the comment is like really good. If I really like it, then I will reply to it. Reply. But YouTube also deleted some videos. Child's. So if a video is getting removed, that's not because I deleted it, because it's for child safety that YouTube deleted it. Okay, let's show the book. Maybe you will recognize it because it's also a book that is written in English. But it looks really cool. Let's show a page. So I haven't started yet. Let's see how many pages there are. There are like 225 pages. Okay, let's go to the next. Close. And I also got a test on Monday. But that wasn't really good. It was also for Dutch. But I didn't really study for it really good. Okay, so those are really small. They probably don't fit me. Like, look at this. How small it is. My hand is never gonna fit in there. But normally there was a little drawing here. But now it's gone. I know. Maybe they are other gloves. Look at this. It's so small. So I hope you are enjoying this ASMR video. And I'm considering maybe buying a new phone. Like I want to buy an Apple phone